Hi everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar. I am currently pursuing BTech second year CSC in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Srikakulam. This is my VR mini project. Welcome to my animal world. In the first picture, we see the group of animals which are staying at this. And while we are turning around, we see some of the animals are at the outside. We see that. Next, we see the Asian elephants, two are parents and one child, and two eagles, three rabbits, the king of the forest, the lion. While we are turning around, we see two tigers and two ducks in water. And while we are further moving, we see that one pond is there, and three cows and one deer, and etc. This is my first VR project. Finally, thanks to the NxtWave company to giving this project. Thank you.